Okay, good morning class. Today is our math time. Our lesson for today is the Pmdas rule, or the order of operations. First, the parentheses, the multiplication, the division, the addition, and subtraction. Mathematics is a type of language, and it also has a specific order. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. 3 plus 5 times 2. What do we do first? Are we going to add o are we going to multiply? So, ano bang gagawin natin para ma-solve siya? Ya, add ba natin o imumultiply muna? So, let me show you the solution. If we add first, 3 plus 5 times 2, 3 plus 5 is 8, times 2 is equal to 16. If we multiply first, 5 times 2, 10, plus 3 is equal to 13. So, it's confusing, right? Which one is the correct answer? The 16 or 13? So, don't worry. In our lesson for today, in PMDAS rules, okay, you must follow the step and the rules so that you get the correct answer. Okay, what is PMDAS first? In order to make sure every person get the same answer to a math problem, mathematician come up with a rule called the order of operations. So, sa PMDAS rules, magiging the same na yung sagot, hindi na malilito because of the order of operations. So, what are the order of operation? First is the parenthesis. We use the open and close parenthesis and the bracket. Then, multiplication. Then, division. The multiplication and division, whichever come first from left to right. So, if you're going to solve the multiplication and division, whichever come first from left to right. Always remember, kung alin ang nasa left, yun ang unahin mo. Addition and subtraction is the last step. Whichever come first from left to right. If you're going to solve the operation using the addition and subtraction, check which one is the left. Then you're going to first solve the left to right solution, okay? Always remember the PMDAS rule, the parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. Number 1. The equation is 6 times, close and open parentheses, 5 plus 2. Okay, alin ang mauna nating solve? Ang sabi sa rules ng PMDAS rule, the first one is the parentheses. So, very good. Yung nandun sa close and open parentheses. 5 plus 2. So, you're going to solve first the 5 plus 2. It's equal to 7. So, bring down the 6 times. 6 times. So, ang dali na lang i-solve nito. 6 times 7 is equal to 42. So, the answer is 42. Okay, napakadali, di ba? So, always remember, the first step is the parentheses. Follow the other equation. Then I'm going to give you another example. The example number 2. The equation is 50 divide 5 times 2. So in the Pmdas rule, which is in the left side, the division or the multiplication. In this equation, the left side is the division. Tama. So we're going to divide first. 50 divide 5. 10. Times, baba mo lang yung number, times 2. Then, 10 times 2 is equal to 20. So the answer is 20. Diba? Ang dali lang. Always remember, yung nandun sa left side, ang lagi mong unahin sa pag-solve. Next, I'm going to give you another example. Example number 3. Okay, this one is the equation. 15 minus 5 plus 9 divide 3 times 4. Pakahaba ng equation, di ba? Huwag malilito. So, which is the first step? Alin muna yung mauna? Yung multiplication and division ang mauna. But, you're going to check. Alin ba sa dalawa ang nasa left? Yung division ba o yung multiplication? Tama. Yung division. So, you're going to first divide. 9 divide 3 is equal to 3. So, ibaba mo lang yung ibang number. Baba mo yung times 4. Tapos, ibaba mo rin yung 15 minus 5. Tapos, yung plus sign. Yan, ibaba mo. Then, next step. Ano bang mauna? Multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, dun sa Pmdas rule, multiplication ng mauna. Tama. So, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Then, ibaba mo lang yung given pa. 15 minus 5 plus, ganon, tapos 12. So, dalawa na lang. Subtraction ba or addition? Sabi sa rules, from left to right, alin ang nasa left? The subtraction or the addition? Tama. The subtraction. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Plus, ibaba lang, 12. Then, equal, okay, 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. The answer is 22. Diba? Napakadali. Kahit mahaba yung equation, basta always remember our PMDAS rules. I'm going to give you another example. The example number 4. Okay, this one is the equation. 36 divide 4 plus 7 times, close and open parenthesis, 8 minus 5. So, in the PMDAS rule, the first rules is the, tama, parenthesis. Yan. Minus muna natin. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So, ibaba mo lang yung ibang number. 36 divide 4 plus 7 times 3 na. Yan. So, hindi pa tapos. So, the next step is the multiplication and the division from left to right. Alin ba dyan ang nasa left? Tama. It's the division. So, 36 divide 4 is equal to 9. So, ibaba lang natin yung other number. Plus 7 times 3. So, the next step pa. 9 plus 7 times 3. Anong mauna? Yung addition o yung multiplication? Tama. The multiplication. So, you were going to multiply first. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. Then, baba mo lang yung 9. 9 plus. Yan. Pati yung sign. Then, you're going to add. 9 plus 21 is equal to 30. So, the answer is 30. Andali, di ba? So, napakadali lang i-solve if you're going to remember the PMDAS rule. Don't forget our PMDAS rules. To solve numerical expressions that has more than one operation, we follow the PMDAS rule. We're going to perform first the operations inside the parentheses. Next, perform multiplication and division operations in order from left to right. Lastly, perform addition and subtraction operations in order from left to right. Okay? Don't forget the PMDAS rule, children. Until our next lesson. Okay, you can start to do your module. Pwede nang mag-start. Okay, bye-bye.